What if you could trade HOA rules with room to breathe? Have you noticed that more people are looking for land versus in HOA communities? And there's a reason why. More privacy, more space to live the way that you want.
Let the Solon team show you how. Are you tired of paying $200 to $300 a month for RV storage? Do you want mom and dad to come down and stay with you for the winter in their RV? This property has full RV hookups and a concrete slab. Check it out.
See how the hands go, waving goodbye. You know I get so forgetful when I look in your eyes.
Say goodbye to high water bills. With a well, you simply only pay the electricity.
If you're looking for freedom and privacy, this 1 acre lot has it. Plus, there's plenty of room for your Jeep and your toys, and there's also plenty of room to go out and do your four-wheeling. Let the Solon team find your dream.
Hey.